Welcome to the channel. So I thought today what we do is we've got two machines that I'm working on. One is a Cub Cadet Zero Turn and the other one is a walk behind Cub Cadet rototiller, rear time. And the Zero Turn, for a little bit of a history, it runs, but when it goes to mow it bogs down. And the tiller hasn't run right for a while, so that'll get us started. So stick around. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and the Cub Cadet Zero Turn, I've already checked to see how much PSI that cylinder was putting out, and both of them with the compression were putting out 140 to 160, so we knew both of them were good. But it reminded me of a Ferris that we had here last week that everything ran good, but the minute it got into grass, it started into a fit. And that ended up being a push rod on the exhaust side, the aluminum one. And once we did a compression, we picked it up again, and that's how we solved that one. So I thought possibly that's what was going on here. But I thought, well, let me throw the spark testers on. And I threw those on, and one side glowed good and the other one was intermittent. So I shut it off and I switched them just to make sure that it wasn't the tester that was giving me that reading. So with them switched, my glow should have come over to here, right? But it didn't. It stayed the same. The glow stayed on this side and it was intermittent here. So I tried cleaning them up the best that I could, and it still didn't work. So we're going to order two of them, but I'll let you see some of the process that you have to go through. The rear time tiller, I mixed up some 5 gallons with the PRI-G that Jason recommended that we've had good luck with, and I let that, and it's sitting in it. We let it run a little bit, and we'll get to that one tomorrow. So stay tuned. Alright, so I got my metric set out. Let me get size 10. Take the fuel pump off. You don't have to unhook all the hoses that go to the fuel pump. You just gotta get it away from the cover. I take the screws right out so I don't lose them. Put them right in the box. Alright, so now we're going to drop down to, pop that off, looks like maybe an 8. Yep, it's an 8. So, and these are at a slide, so you don't have to, pop this off. As you can see, the traffic going by. Claude, come here. See what we found? That's why you take the cover off the top.
That's it?
Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if those wires aren't chewed a little bit.
Okay, but this is the dead side.
Is it?
Yes. Yeah, that's... Is it in there?
You'll find out in a minute.
No. Where is it? Yeah, but this is the dead side.
Some wily one trying to attack you. Alright, so I was hopeful that that was my issue.
No, magnets need to be cleaned. Dirty as hell. But yeah, this is the dead side over here.
We use emery cloth on the magnets. Pretty tipped up. And I told them we're going to show them old school how to do it with a business card. That'll drive Jason nuts.
Yeah.
What I had hoped is that it would be that one. Let me get this set up for you. The back road is pretty busy here. Even side-by-sides go by. And I don't care, as long as they aren't tearing up meadows and that stuff. Most of the guys are pretty good. You get the kids sometimes, you get the person. So what Claude was saying is that we use emery cloth to clean up the magnet so you get a good contact. Just kind of rough them up a little. So you just got 2 bolts and that coil comes right off. Yeah, so I think probably should cover this and blow that out. Just make sure you cover up the intake on it before you actually for a spring service you should pop that cover just to make sure there isn't a mouse nest. The direction that I'm going, I decided I would try cleaning these up first. It could be just because it doesn't have a good contact. And it would save my customers some money. So there's that. coils here, I probably would have tried a new one. And we can test this with the cover off it.
Is it loose?
Yeah, you're gonna have to tighten it. I wish I could worst case scenario, I'll just have to order one, and I figured I'd try this first before. That way he can get his mower back. Now, just cranking it up, right?
No, put your wires back on the tool. You're not going to shut it off. Come on.
Oh.
Now on that side?
Yeah.
That's what you're doing. They got to be shutting that off with the kill switch from the
Fuel solenoid.
you know.
Alright, so I'll have to take the model number and
Yeah, it should be on that
get
cover.
a coil coming.
Yeah, because everything's on that cover. I'll put both of them in it.
Yeah.
They're both the same age. So
Replace both of them?
I would.
Okay.
I'd never replace one on the twin cylinder.
I'll set this on just in
That's for the number.
case it rains. So the end result is the one coil still wasn't hitting good. So I went ahead and I ordered 2 coils. If one is getting near the other one, you're just gonna have headaches. You might better order a pair of them, put them both on, and have a happy customer. So once I get those in, it'll be Monday, but I can show you putting them on and kicking it loose. All right, thanks so much for watching.